Hey, what's up guys? I want to make a video for you today sharing with you a niche that I found that is starting to trend. This trend is in the back to school niche. Right now lots of back to school designs are selling, so that's obviously why it's trending. The phrase for this niche is "it's a good day to teach tiny humans." When we type that into Amazon, we're going to see there's only 111 results, so very little competition for this phrase. And when we take a look at the BSRs, we're going to see only 255, 199, 404, 50, so very low BSRs. And some of these were actually just uploaded this month. So I believe this one right here, when we take a look at the date right here, which is August 4th, all right, so, and it's at 367 BSRs. When we look at the type of design styles, we're going to see a lot of them are the wavy text. All right, I actually made a video the other day. If you go to my channel, and it's this one right here, where it says Third Grade Vibes, it's a Merch by Amazon tutorial where I teach you how to do the wavy text design. I'll try and leave a little card at the top of the video. Obviously, the boho rainbows are also very popular. Like the top three have the boho rainbows. But you can see this one got creative and they did something a little different with some cats and crayons, and that's actually the best-selling one. It's also the lowest price as well. But so these are the type of design styles. So take a look at these. When we take a look at the test to see if it's trademarked, and we just type in "it's a good day to teach tiny humans," we're going to see that nothing pops up. So nothing is trademarked there, so good to go. When we look at the competition on Etsy, we're going to see there's only 360 results, so a little competition there. On Redbubble, I did notice it was a little higher, so there's actually 1,200 results. I like to stay under 1,000. Obviously, the lower the better, but that's just my personal benchmark. But still, I guess it's still pretty low. And we take a look at TeePublic, we're going to see that for this phrase, "it's a good day to teach tiny humans." There's also very little competition as well. I'm only seeing, I think, 4 pages. And I don't think I see, there's one right here with the wavy text. Now, if you go to Vexels right here and you type in rainbow, you can get like a nice boho rainbow like this that you can use for your designs. I have an affiliate link in the description. So if you're interested, you can sign up to Vexels. They probably have some of the best clip art or graphics for designing t-shirts on print-on-demand sites. But that is the niche that I wanted to share with you today. The phrase is "it's a good day to teach tiny humans." This is going to be a popular niche because it's in the back-to-school niche. So get your designs up, put them on all the platforms, upload them to all the products as well, whether it's on Merch by Amazon or whether it's on Redbubble. This could probably be a good one for maybe backpacks or for notebooks. So you want to diversify yourself as much as possible. So go ahead and get designing, get the designs up, and hopefully you can make some money. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. I'm basically putting out videos almost on a daily basis on trendy niches, design ideas, so you guys can make some sales. All right, so thanks for watching the video, and I'll catch you on the next one.